Okay, there's 30 cows and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Didn't what?
There's 30 cows and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
If you give up, I'll
Shush! Don't tell her. There's,
I don't know.
Say it. Say it out loud. There's 30 cows.
There's 30 cows
and 28 chickens.
and 28 chickens.
How many didn't?
How many didn't? What?
Okay, we're gonna try it again. There's 30 cows.
Are we saying it different every time?
No.
30 cows, 28 chickens. We didn't do what?
There's 30 cows. There's 28 chickens.
Okay.
How many didn't?
2.
Okay, wait. Okay,
Oh, but 2 has to do it too.
wait.
Wait.
Okay, there's 30 cows
30 cows.
and 28 chickens.
So what was the question?
How many didn't?
30 cows, right?
Uh-huh.
And 28 chickens.
28 chickens.
Do chickens have to do it to make more?
How many didn't?
I don't know what they didn't do to know what they didn't do.
Okay, wait. Okay. We're gonna do it slow. There's 30 cows
There's
obvious.
30 cows.
and 28 chickens.
I don't care.
How many didn't?
I'm about ready to cuss.
Didn't
I
do
don't
what?
know.
Okay, look. Say it. There's 30 cows,
There's 30 cows.
28 chickens.
God, I'm missing something. 28 chickens.
Yeah, say that part again.
There are 30 cows.
30 cows.
28 chickens.
So what?
How many didn't?
Didn't do what?
How many didn't?
Is there an answer I'm not getting?
Yeah. Okay, look.
Okay, I don't
Wait,
get it.
Okay, look. Look. Wait, look. Wait. Okay, look. There are 30 cows.
There's 30 cows. Okay, you guys, there's 30 cows.
and 28 chickens.
And 28 chickens.
How many didn't?
28. Here, okay.
No,
That's-
wait.
No. No, I have to get this.
There's 30 cows
Okay.
and 28 chickens. No, wait. Shh.
28 chickens divides into 2 by 14.
Wow.
Isn't that 28?
Yeah,
So they all got to do it.
14 makes a lot of sense.
Overthinking it.
So they got to do it. So,
Wait,
and if there's
okay.
30 cows, that's 15 apiece. So they got to do it. So what are we doing? I'm thinking bad.
Okay, wait. There are 30 cows. Wait,
30
shh.
cows
30 cows.
and 28 chickens.
28 chickens. No, don't write it. It's cheating.
There is no number. This is crazy.
No, there is. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna say it too
Oh, do I
slow.
get to add them?
No, wait, look. Okay, look. I'm gonna
'Cause
say
I
it
coulda
slower.
did that.
Wait, I'm gonna say it slower.
That's
Okay,
58.
wait. Okay, look. There are
58?
There are 30 cows.
30
okay?
cows.
And 28 chickens.
58.
Oh my God, that is so awesome.
38 and how many?
14 to 58. Okay,
You've
wait.
been saying the wrong numbers
No,
every time.
No, there's. Okay, look. There's 30 cows. Say that.
There's 30 cows.
And 28 chickens.
Now that's 58. It is. 30 and 28 is 58, isn't
Wait,
it?
show me what you're gonna show.
Okay,
her.
but wait. No, don't tell me there's a number that I
No.
don't get.
Okay.
Wait.
How many didn't? See, I'd have to know what was.
Okay, look.
What is that question in the
Okay, look.
thing? E or equals what? Something.
E equals
else?
MC squared. No, this is
Yeah,
not
one of
theory
those.
No, but this is not that.
If there's a number for this, I'll be dang.
Okay, wait. Okay, look. There are 30 cows
Okay, there's 30 cows.
and 28 chickens.
Okay, 30 cows and 28 chickens. So how many chickens were there?
No, how many didn't?
How many did?
Oh, 8. Is that right?
God.
No, don't tell me a word. Okay, if there's 30 cows
You're
and
so wrong.
there's
and
there's 30 cows and 28 chickens.
wrong.
30 cows and
close.
28
Wait, okay, come back.
20 of the 30 cows ate chickens. So how many didn't? Oh, I know what it is.
What is it?
Whatever that number is that I'm thinking. Hold on.
Mommy,
Hold on. It's
come on.
10.
Yeah.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
I was literally gonna come up